Hi, my name is Wesley Price. This is my third business idea in Business 383. Have you ever tried to go out and try to start a fire in the woods when you're out camping, fishing, hunting, things like that? What products work for you? What products didn't work for you? I found that one of the best products on the market for the money is actually the Vicks lighter. It's very cheap and expensive. One of the downfalls, though, is that if the slider gets wet, it doesn't work, and you can't start a fire. So my business idea might take a little bit of help with, say, chemical engineer, but I wanted to make a boot for the lighter. I've kind of made a cheap replica out of silly putty, but this is the concept where I can turn a cheap Bic lighter into a weatherproof lighter. By removing it, I can still have the great functionality of a Bic lighter, and I can make it inexpensively, require a little bit of hardly a little money to get started. This is my business idea. Thanks. Appreciate it.